In today's video, I'll show you how the 80s vehicle pack adds classic cars and an authentic retro atmosphere to Vice City. All you have to do is check my video description for this site link, select the download option, and wait for 10 seconds. Select the download now option. After download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close tab here and right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder, and now you can launch the game. And now the vehicle packs all changed to 80s so atmosphere. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.